You own a business looking to create awesome website for it. Then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduced you Gbope Cash TV. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. Gbope Cash are expert in services like graphic designing. They will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization. They also specialize in video ads.
Hi everyone, you are welcome once again. Today I have a short explanation for you of how you can make money with this already video made about this platform. Now, this platform will make you a lot, and it based in monthly in every 25th. So every 25th you are going to receive your payments, and the minimum withdrawal is not that much. If you are in Ghana, the minimum withdrawal is 100 cedis. So Nigeria, I can't best tell your minimum withdrawal because it's based in individual currency. But then minimum withdrawal is $10 when you want to arrange it, like reach it with dollars. But Ghana, our own is 100 cedis. It's supposed to be 150 something Ghana cedis, but it is 100 cedis. And I've made a video about this platform. I'm going to make a video of it the same as I'm doing, like how to open an account. So I'll not say go and watch the other video, but rather watch this one and follow the steps. In the next video I'll be giving you a tips. So if you want to be able to make this amount of money within these days, because in the other video the name that I'm going to use to log in was what we use to create the account. So my newly account, I have made a withdrawal and it is on pending, so I'm going to receive the money on the 25th of this month. So in 25th, when the money arrive, I will make a video and show you the screenshot of it. So for us not to waste time, this is what we are going to do. I am going to drop my channel URL, which is my channel link. So follow me to my channel. I'm talking about my Telegram channel. Now I'm giving everyday morning tips of how to be able to work in some of this platform, because that one will be in a written form. Unless I make video before, you'll be able to get it in YouTube here. So if you are part of the Telegram family, you will be able to be making some cool cash every morning. You wake up, daily basis, logins, bonuses, and all those things. There are platforms like that, which I know many people are here looking for more money. So they always give guidelines, tutorials free to everyone, how to be able to trade your cryptocurrency, how to mount your crypto wallet to grow and to be able to receive much funds. And there are a lot I'm going to teach there. The channel is a new channel, so if you go, just follow the channel, and anytime that a video of that drop, you'll be able to get the tips. Now back to the YouTube here. If you know you are new, please kindly subscribe to this channel. This channel here provide online tech. Simple means the teachings of online. All that you have to know about your online technologies are all involved here. So anything you can be in the house to do, if you want to know, you just come to this online specifically to make money online. So we give free tips of making money online, which will not make you rich, which will give you your passive income. So I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm doing these videos for educational purpose. So anyhow it comes, you have to take it that way, because I am not a financial advisor, but rather I am giving it as educational purpose. Some people want to learn, that is why it is an online school. You learn to get the ideas. We give business ideas and a lot of things. Before you even enter a platform, some of us have to test it with our money. If there are losses, we will tell you. If there are no losses, we will tell you. But this particular platform I'm talking about today is free, and it is worldwide. Wherever you are entitled to it. Now, this platform had a name. The name of this platform is BlockPay. Now, BlockPay have a collaboration with Google AdSense. Now, when we said Google AdSense, what is even Google AdSense? What is their work? This website or this particular industry is originated or developed from USA. They have a deal with Google, and let me say they own Google, which they are going to pay you based in your content. Now, when we say content, when you create something like making a video of like what I'm doing is a content like that. So when someone watches the video or read what I have written or something about my article or anything, that is where the money is going to come from. So you ask me, how do we do it? Nowadays, there are companies that make adverts for other companies. No, you bring your product, they will do adverts for you. So the advertisement money that they earn is what they are going to pay you from, which is the commission base. So this commission base simple means let them play ads on your content and pay you a commission from the money they pay for the advertisement. Like when you are watching TV, sometimes they'll pause your video and bring some adverts indicating these people support them. Those supporting hand to this particular industry is what we are talking of. So that's how they earn their money. So you are not going to pay anything, or you are not going to put anything into it that will let you, or that will make you lose your fans or something like that. This particular platform is just good for everyone. Now, I know you've heard that you can create your own account, like website, and get monetized. So to create a website and get monetized, it's a long process. Some of them pay for the creating of the website. Some of them you get the free version, but you not be entitled to all the engaging to be able to make your website look so nice. The template and all those things will not be like that elevated. So you only get some cool short portion to grow your website, which is always hard to do. But this is a website that has been monetized already. So they will ask you to post your article and earn money. That is all about. So for this not to be a boring video, let's just jump to what we are about to do. So if you are here, check in the description of this video or the first comment in the comment box and you type the link. It will send you to a Telegram channel. You see a link to this website. You start to create an account. If you already have an account, let's go and I'll teach you how you are going to make the money. Now this is the platform. This is how it look like. But when you use the link, it will not come this way. It will send you to registration form. So you start to register. I want to explain some things for you, those who are new. So you hear they said publish your right apps. Publish your right apps and get paid. Post articles and earn a living from BlockPay monetization powered by BlockPay Ads and AdSense. Now, the BlockPay Ads simple means when you reach their requirement, they will post advertisement on your articles, and when people view your articles and the advertisement play, they are going to earn a commission from it. So that is what it simple means. So let's continue. So now they say get started. Let me read some things for you here. They have total users. They have 26,474, and here when you come total write apps, so the total of people who are writing, they are having 140,077. 140,077. When you come here, the ads revenue shared, it means the amount of money they are giving to people is this. They have 121,656 Ghana cedis. And about this, there's a BlockPay is a platform that allows writers to publish articles and get paid. We believe in the power of writing and its ability to change life. Our mission is to empower writers by providing them with a platform to share their stories and receive compensation for their work. We believe that everyone has a story to tell, and we are dedicated to helping people share their stories with the world. Our platform is easy to use and provide a variety of tools to help writers create beautiful, engaging articles. We aim to create a community of writers who are passionate about their craft and committed to delivering quality content. Now, when you go, there are lots to talk about and all this thing, blah blah. So let me go here and show you how you are going to register. Then I'll log into my account. So when you use the link, it will bring you to this registration form. They said register account here. You are going to enter your first name, your last name, your email account, your phone number, username. The username is what you are going to be using to log in. So it is your nickname. Any nickname you can remember, you just put it there. Make sure your nickname did not go along with someone who already have an account. So when you enter it and your nickname is not used, they will tell you. So you enter your nickname there and you enter your password, confirm the password and create. Now I already have an account. I'll log in and you see the dashboard of this. When you just press it, automatically it will be created for you. Nothing for you to do again, and to take you to the dashboard of where you are going to start your work. So I'm going to log into this account that I've created for the first video when making the registration of this. So I will not log into where I have made a withdrawal, but I will log into where I have created the last time and I've used it to work, and for like you say a week now, and the money I've and days I have worked. I will show you only the articles I have posted. Within some period I've posted it and I did not even watch. When I got to my account today, that money was pop out. So let me log in. Now, don't you see they are popping advertisement on the page? So while you log in like this, while they are popping it, you yourself you are seeing. When you post your article and someone type on it, they will see it. Now here is the dashboard of it. This is the database of this. This is how you read it. They say block pay earning today. So far today I have earned like 20 Ghana cedis 85 pesos, and here yesterday I earned 14 cedis 25 pesos, and last 7 days I earned 27 cedis 90 pesos. So this is the data analytics you are going to follow. Now this month we have 50 point days, so my balance is what 53.55 Ghana cedis, and the minimum withdrawal of this in Ghana is 100 Ghana cedis. See, hopes your account balance is low, you must meet a threshold of 100 Ghana cedis only. So 100 cedis and above, when you exceed 100 cedis you can withdraw, 100 cedis you can withdraw. So this is how it is. How do I earn money from this? And that's what I'm going to show you now. They said page views, they have viewed 139 of my articles, and the articles yesterday was 95, and in all I have posted this month and everything. Now I have posted all that they have watched. Now the pages views today so far 139, yesterday 95, last 7 days 186, this month 335, and articles I posted is 260. Now someone will say, why do you post this much article and yet you earn small? This is what it is. You post an article, and each article, a view of it is per 15 pesos, 0.15. so if it is in dollars, it's going to be 0.01 cent. So that is it. So it's better now because you will not pay anything, you're not doing anything. And this trick I'm going to give to you, you can post like 1,000 articles a day, and while they are still there, people are still watching. I'm telling you, before tomorrow, if I open this money will accumulate to the far. Because when I did this, it was like the day of yesterday. I just started. Let me say, I wanted to get the video again to show you that the platform is still working. So I went and applied my trick, and I got this articles and I posted them. How do you get the articles and how do you even start? Now when you are using the phone version, this is how it will look like. Now when you are using the PC version, they will show you everything and the name. So if you are using the phone version, you see these 3 lines here, type there. So here will open like this. Now here is the home page. Here is having its name. Okay, look at it. This one is workplace, this one are flags, this one are paid post, this one are post, this one are ask revenue. This is setting and log out. Now let's go. Someone asked me what is paid post. Now the post that they will pay, the one your article you've posted, when they watch it or the person read it, that one they will pay you for it. So that one is a paid post. Now the flags, when you you post your articles, like maybe one article you use it more than or something like that, or it does not go with their requirement, they'll cancel it. That is the flag. Now this flag were taking on because first they were not having competence and they were collecting money. So before you register this account, you will have verified your account with an amount of 33 Ghana cedis when you are in Ghana, and if you were in US, you pay an amount of $1.99. So now they have gotten competence, so because of that they make it free. When you create your new account, it is free. You are no more going to pay the money, so you just go on. That's why it does not have a referral here. So how you get it is by getting the name and you just log in. There's no more referral program, because first they'll give you the money based on what the person was going to pay. So they'll give you 5 cedi when you refer someone, but because it's not free, they will not be flags, but they only leave it there so that you will be afraid to get good articles. So for you not to be writing rubbish articles, this is what you do. Go to this place, this one, the one that shows pen sign. That is where you are going to write your article. And now they have given you every tool to be able to write your article very well. So when you tap on it, it will pop out like this. So what you are going to do is you write your article here. So when you start to write, it will come. And the minimum words you should get is 300 and above. So when you get 300 words, it means your article is not intact, and you are going to upload pictures, 3 at least, to make your article look nice. So what you are going to do is just go to your internet. Which article do you want to write about? Let's say I want to write about humanity. So I'll just go and type humanity. So any pictures that have something like aligned with humanity, Google will show them. Download about 4 or 3. Now come down. Now go to WhatsApp. Now when you come to WhatsApp like this symbol, that is an AI symbol like that. We call it Meter AI. So when you type on it, it will send you to where you and the AI will talk. So you said AI, you just said what did I say? You should go and download humility. So just type in humility like this. The AI will generate more about humility for you, and you just copy it, go and paste it there. You seen it? It will give you a lot about humility. So you did not write this, the AI have written it for you. So all you have to do is just press and hold it and copy. Now go to your article box or your blog page box where you are going to write your article. Now paste this. Paste. Now we got 262 words. So you said, I'm frustrated. Don't worry, just make this thing here, repaste it again, you get more than that. So now what you're going to do is you fix your pictures in. So to fix this, how do you do it? So you look at the space like this, you just type in, you see this symbol here, the one that is a gallery form, just type on it, it will show you. So it will say choose a file. So when you type on it, it will open like this. So you pick the picture you want, it will direct you to your gallery. So you just pick the picture you want. My battery is about to get low, so we can continue for how you post it. So this is how you do it. Now when you upload 3 pictures there, you come down here. Now you enter the title here. Now you choose the category about this. So let me just choose anything like that. So you upload the video here and enter the subtitle of this. So you just the name or anything that have link about the title, just enter it here, and boom, you come back here. You are not saving, you just type on the publish, your article will publish. Now when you publish, the same rating and everything will still be there. This is what the trick is. So just come, be writing one, be adding 1, 2, 3 attach to the article you've already posted, like the title. So you just come the title, you just come and write 1 and add. Now you upload picture again, you come and upload the picture in the featured image. Now go back and just post. When you save, that article will still be there. You come back, delete the 1 and add 2. Like that, you can post about 1,000 a day, and you are going to make huge. Please, thank you so much for always watching my videos. We'll still continue some other time, and I'm going to make a video of how you are going to do it, showing you, because my battery is getting low and this will get off. Please, I'll continue this video for the second episode. Please stay stick to this family and we'll earn more. Thank you and goodbye.